Hey all, today I'm going to be using the Viburnum Art watercolors, a fountain pen, some uh, paper in a random sketchbook that I've got, and just enjoying 20 minutes of drawing with a little bit of color. I've had this ginger chews tin for several years, and I love it. I think it is the coolest thing, but I've never drawn it. So today we're going to draw the tin straight in with the pen. I'm not drawing it with a pencil. It's not going to be perfect, and that is great. I'm trying to build my self-resiliency and giving myself permission for things to not be perfect. This gets drawn too short. So it's too short, makes it look wider than it really is. Oh well, I still really enjoy the outcome of this project. And this is real time. I am not speeding it up. The only thing that I cut out was a couple times when I had to go and answer a phone call and things like that. But I was able to get right back into the flow of this. It was just a peaceful drawing session. It only has 2 colors. When I do the actual putting some watercolor on here, I used a yellow-orange color, and I used up a little bit of some already mixed up Prussian blue with a little bit of a burnt sienna in it, which gives me my black color. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoy getting to get in that flow really quick, projects like this that you don't put pressure on yourself with, they're the best. So when I'm doing the painting, I'm using a water brush. When I'm doing the drawing here, I'm using a fountain pen. I have waterproof ink in it. It's Noodler's ink, and it's a beautiful black ink. This pen is probably one of the most inexpensive, nice pens I've ever had. So check the links down below if you're interested in any of the materials I'm using. My husband got me the watercolors for my birthday at the beginning of the month. So I am having a lot of fun just playing with those, experimenting with them, and enjoying the process. This is very much like a doodling session. There's going to be, a lot of little tiny patterns put in. I could have sped this up, but I enjoyed the process, and maybe you will too. So I'll see you at the end. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention at the beginning about the Uniball Signo white gel pen. My favorite gel pen for putting in highlights. It gives you that slick and shiny look to metal things or sparkles on water or whatever. I love this pen, and that's what I'm using here to add those tiny little highlights. I hope that you've been enjoying this video, and if you did and you found value in it, I would love to have you click that like button. Oh, and if you're interested in supporting my channel, please make sure to click that subscribe button and come back and watch more videos. That is probably the number one thing that you can do to help support my channel is watch the videos from beginning to end, share the videos on your social media, And if you want to support my studio even more, go ahead and join us over on Patreon or leave me a super thanks. I appreciate all the help I can get in keeping the artwork flowing. Remember, go out, do something creative, take care of yourself, and be kind. See you soon.